The stock of the day is brought to you by IG, Australia's #1 CFD provider. Trade over 17,000 markets with extended trading hours on key US shares and competitive spreads, all on an award-winning platform. Get started at IG.com.
And our stock of the day is ASX Limited. It now has a real rival when it comes to listings after ASIC approved Cboe Australia's listing market application. The move means that Cboe will be able to list new companies on its platform in direct competition with existing market operators, and that includes, of course, the ASX. ASIC says it wants to promote a vibrant and attractive listings market and that the move will provide more choice for companies listing in Australia. Both ASIC and the Reserve Bank have read the riot act to the ASX over what they call, quote, deep concerns over its management of operational risk. We see the ASX share price coming under a lot of pressure in the wake of that announcement from ASIC. My guests that you can see on screen, Philip Pepe from Shawn Partners and Rudy Philippek Van Dyke from FN Arena. Rudy, ASX, monopoly no more?
Computer says no.
No.
Yes, I think we're all old enough to remember the glory days when they basically had almost like a 100% monopoly here. And they have pricing power, and just ask the stockbrokers what they have to pay for the data and stuff. I'm not so sure whether this is gonna somehow make a big dent in their business, because they haven't been the #1 only player in the market for quite a while now. But what is certain is that, and undeniable, is that the market is priced out a premium, and that's on the back of, let's just say, they've shown their weaknesses and vulnerabilities and now for quite a while. So to call the ASX a high quality, high performer is probably out of whack with reality. It's actually a struggling former market monopoly that needs to get back on track, and it's anyone's guess whether they can do it and how that's going to be achieved. The trajectory used to be a lot easier for the ASX once upon a time. Is the share price cheap? Well, it's a lot cheaper than it used to be. It should still pay out dividends. It should be franked. But given the state of the trajectory of the business, I can't get excited.
Thank you. Philip.
This stock should be in bubble territory.
Should be.
It should be. We are at all-time highs in equity markets globally, Australia. Futures volumes have been strong, equity volumes have been strong. The IPO market seems to be reopened. These are perfect conditions for them. You just saw the share price chart. So they've shot themselves in the foot so many times. Their technology woes have been well publicized. We had the ASX release where they mentioned the wrong company, put the wrong company in trading halt. It's just another reason not to own the stock. It's not a new reason. It's just another, not a nail in the coffin. It's just, another something else is negative. Okay, well, you shouldn't own it anyway, so who cares? It is a sell because it is yesterday's hero. What we've seen through, this stock should be at all-time highs. It's true. It's not, and things will probably get worse for them before they get better. I would just avoid and buy Computershare, buy a fund manager. If you wanted ASX index leverage exposure,
up 24.
Hub 24, buy one of the platforms. ASX is yesterday's hero. You don't need to be there. It's a sell.
I suspect an all-time high in COVID times, I think.
Yeah.
Well, listen, that is a firm sell from both of my guests. Stock of the day being the ASX.
The stock of the day was brought to you by IG. Trade over 12,000 shares and ETFs, including major tech giants with extended hours on an award-winning platform. Get started at IG.com.